What is the most condescending advice you received from someone who assumed you were poorer or less educated than them? I was looking to buy an airplane hangar several years ago. A local real estate agent who owned a hangar at the airport I was interested in met with my real estate agent and me. He showed us a few listings, including his own. When I made what I thought were fair offers, about 85% of the listing price, he launched into a long lecture about how hangar ownership worked. He ended by saying, "Come back when you're serious and can afford to buy." A month later, I bought a hangar 2 doors down from his. The owner accepted my original offer. 2 weeks later, while I was working at my new property, the same guy saw me and asked if I was still looking to buy. I replied, "No, I only needed one. I bought your neighbor's." The look on his face was priceless.